power walking.
Make a face. Make a face for your still shot. Yes! That's a face I'm gonna put on your flyer.
Wait, I'll play a sad song and you tell a sad story while I'm playing.
There was a girl named Joden, the classiest name in the land, and she met a prince who held a invisible Bible in his weirdly sweating hands. He said, "Joden, I like that. It has class." And he said, "My name is Jordan." And he says, "I want to lick your And one day, he sought out this Joden so she could play him a tune. And when he couldn't find her, he killed himself! The end.
Okay, I need to watch that.